Hi guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY sewing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every third day. In video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to sew a midi skirt with high waisted and invisible zipper. It will be fit with your hip and help you sew your body. It's also easy to pair with so many tops, really versatile. And I'm going to bring you guys an easy and simple way to making the pattern. Okay, let's get started. I use a kind of different fabric left over a baby doll top that I made last episode. If you still not watch that video, please click link over here to see. This is a kind of polyester fabric. I use it for lining part and invisible zipper. Before making the pattern, we need measure waist round and hip round. These are my measurement round and length of skirt that I want. Depending on your waist and height, you can adjust as you want. First, I'm drawing a rectangle like this, with the width is hip round divided by 4. The length of skirt is the length of rectangle. From top, go out 16 cm, which is waist round divided by 4. Then I'll go out more 2 cm, mark it there, because I will make a waist dot. Next, from top, go down 23 cm, mark it there, and draw a line out. This line is hip round. From the bottom, plus more 8 cm. Now, connect 3 points together, then curve this line. From center line of top, go down 1.5 cm, mark it there, and connect 2 points by curved line. Next, from there, go down 2 cm, mark it there, and also curve the line along. This part will be waistband. Back to the bottom. From the center line, go down 2 cm, mark it there, and connect 2 points by curve line. Let's cut them out. I'll make a waist dark here, then I must be cut off 2 cm from the outside of waistband. Okay, they are a half of front and also back. Fold the fabric in half to cut front side and 2 front waistband, and 2 separate panels for back side and 4 back waistband. Remember to leave the seam allowance for all pieces. Before sewing, I'm going to iron a thin interfacing on the edge of every panel to make this area thicker and easy to stitch it. Okay, they look like this. I'm starting to making waist dart on front side and back side too. Now connect front side and back side together on both sides by my serger. Moving on to the waistband, I'm gonna iron a thin interfacing on every panels. Now I'll connect front and back side together. I got two separate waistbands like this. Next, I'm going to sew them together at the top line. After that, I'm gonna trim the excess fabric and turn the right side out. Now, pin one panel of waistband on the main skirt and sew along the waist. For the lining part, doing that's on the same, but shorter than main skirt, and I already hemmed the bottom. I also leave slit on both sides, just help me easier to move. And then I'm gonna pin the lining part on the other of the waistband and sew them together. After sewing, please remember to iron them to make it flat and beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna pin invisible zipper on the main part and sew on. Next, from the bottom of skirt, go up 19 cm and mark it there. And I'm gonna connect two panels from the end of the zipper down to the mark point. Then I'm gonna throw inside between main part and lining part. Grab the top of waistband out, pin and sew them together on each side of zipper. At the slit of the bottom, I'm gonna fold fabric 1 centimeter to the wrong side and stitch it. Next, I'm going to hem the bottom of skirt. Lastly, I'm stitching a small hook on top of the waistband to finish. And here's the final look. Hope you like my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like videos, and turn on notifications to see new videos every Thursday. Bye!